Like, nah. But I'm proud of my haul. I'm very proud of my haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After work around 7 to 8 o'clock that I got lucky. And I'm in Orlando, so you guys saw in my last video that I saw the Orlando coupon queen, and I did not get anything that day. So luckily, I got lucky, and a girl was marking down. So about 6 teenagers hovering over the aisle, waiting for her to be done to go through it. And they were going through it a little bit, and they were even blocking the aisle. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go around the store first. I picked up some stuff from Women's, and I said, all right, afterwards, then once they like leave me a little bit of room to go through the aisle, boom, I went in with my little baby cart and I started seeing stuff, and I just stood there, and the girl was like going little by little through the aisle, and I wasn't on top of her, nothing like that. Like, I had respect. I was just going very slow, looking at the stuff. Those teenagers had a full cart of stuff already. I'm like, dang. The guy went through racks. He went through the racks, ducking under, pushing clothes, and all of a sudden he hopped out of nowhere and he ended up in the freaking aisle. I looked at him like he was crazy. And then the girl that's marking down, she goes, she kind of looked like a little, you know, sassy Hispanic kind of girl. And she goes, let me get my inner sass. Okay. She goes, if you keep hovering over me, I'm not going to continue marking down. This has been happening all day. You can look at the stuff after I'm done with it, but don't hover over me. And I'm like, dang. And then the teenagers, they go, oh, we are annoying her so bad. And in my head, I'm like, come on, guys. You are ruining this. You know you're not supposed to trouble the workers. Because then the workers are pissed off. This is going to go viral that the workers are pissed off, that they're not able to work, that they're aggravated. And then we're going to lose out on this clearance opportunity for life. So stop ruining it. Stop ruining it. Last night I went to Ross. And that's the thing. I'm eyeballing certain things. The guy completely teased me. So I'm walking around seeing if I find anything, and I haven't been finding, like, besides this one day after work, and I got lucky because the girl was marking down. Besides this day that I spent 3 hours in the store, I have not found nothing. And I've been going to Ross throughout the week like crazy, like 4 times, and then the last couple of weeks like crazy. So the guy completely teased me because as a coworker and a manager, she's like, hey, these 2 little things, like, where do they go? Shouldn't they be marked down? And he goes, yeah, that's Christmas. It should be marked down. So then I overheard that, and I passed by him like 3 times, and I go, hey, I'm sorry to bother you, but I overheard that you're marking these 2 things down. How much would they be? He goes, oh, like 49 cents. I'll take them. And then he goes and comes back to me. He goes, oh, I'm so sorry. They're part of floral and they're Christmas trees, so I have no clue why they're part of floral, but I can't do it, so they're gonna be $12.99. And I said, okay. He was like, I tried for you though. I'm like, all right, bye. So shout out to this. If you guys know anything Winter Wonderland themed, like stuff to buy, because I want to make my whole house Winter Wonderland themed. From fake snow on the floor and things coming out of the ceilings and just everything Winter Wonderland. If you have any shops you recommend or certain things to buy from, just comment down below, because I'm really trying to get that, and that would have been perfect for my Winter Wonderland theme. It was like so glamorous. Those were my experiences, and I'm just hoping to either 1, find more sales as I keep checking back for certain things that I want, and that's the thing, I only check things that I know I want. And 2, I hope you guys didn't freaking ruin it, because I love bargaining. I love bargaining. That's the word? I just love clearance shopping, okay? I never want to pay full price for nothing. I'm cheap. I always call myself the cheap queen, actually, which is so funny, but I'm super cheap. So no, I do not want to pay full price. I love getting items. Like, this world's too expensive, and I got better stuff to spend for, okay? So let's get started finally on this haul, which I know you've been waiting for. And then I actually have an Influenster unboxing that came in the mail today. And I love Influencer. They sent me, like, no joke, like 10 boxes already of free stuff. Thank you. And we'll get into that. First things first, of course, you can see it's the item I'm wearing right now. Or I mean, I've been throwing the tag around like crazy and it's itching the crap out of me. A nice, fluffy, cute orange. It fits so perfectly. Let me throw it around. It's so nice. And this was $1.49. $1.49, and it's so comfy. So obviously if it's really chilly outside, man, I love it. I love this kind of stuff. As you can see, I love this kind of material. Well, Favorwear, which is a really good brand, comes with 3 scissors, so that way, obviously, depending on what you're cutting, it could be stronger, or even kitchen scissors. And then it comes with 2 knives, also a board to cut on, and then whatever that is in the back, which is probably just a grip to put the knife back in. So I saw this, I was debating to go ahead and buy it, but I couldn't resist because it was only $2.49. Usually retails to $14.99. That is really freaking good. So I'm like, man, plus I'm gonna own a home whenever that comes. The Favorwear, this is a can opener, and it's such a cute freaking color, and it was originally $5.49 and this was for $3.99. So yeah, that's still a tiny bit pricey, but I figure it's such a good can opener, and hopefully this will last a long time that, yep, willing to pay the price. And then last thing in the tools or home items, you can say, this usually is $5.99 and it was $3.99. So again, $4 for a whole bunch of the cooking tools. So right now I don't cook, and I definitely want to learn, especially when I move out. I want to learn freaking real good and take cooking classes if needed, whatever. But yeah, this is super cute, and it kind of just goes in the blue family anyways, plus with the scissors or the knife. So I figured go ahead and get it. It's not a bad deal, and it's a pretty sturdy plastic too, which is great. Okay, so it retailed for $10.99, this sweater. Fall wear, I love these kind of colors, especially for the fall. Retailed for $8.99, got it for $2.99. I'm just gonna throw all this stuff on my tank top. So this is $2.99. Pretend I'm not wearing the tank top, pretend all of that stuff. So this is just so freaking cute. Look at that. I love it. Yes. Beautiful. This item retailed for $7.99. I got it for $2.99. And if you know me, you know I love lavender. There was another one that I could have purchased, but I figured, you know what? $3 each. Do I want to spend another $3 when I have 2 other lavender tank tops? But obviously this is going to look so funny, putting it on top of another tank top. Oh no, actually it freaking disappeared, my tank top. Cool. So here is my lavender one. My lavender tank top. I freaking love it. Yes. I have 2 shirts that's exactly the same, just different colors. So this originally retailed to $9.99 and I got it for $3.49. This is such a cute freaking top. Again, pretending my tank top isn't on. There you go. Look how freaking cute this is. It is so adorable. Yes. And here's the pink one. Oh my god, I couldn't resist. I should have, honestly. I saw the black one and I'm like, dang it, I should get that for my mom. But I don't remember what, I think these are larges. And I don't know if she would like the large. I think it would fit her good. I mean, oh, this looks disgusting with the tank top. There you go. And here's the pink one. The little, or the rose gold, you can say. But that was the same exact thing, so it was $3.49 as well. This item was my cheapest one. It retailed for $7.99 and it was just 99 cents. This cute little glamorous gold top. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Like, this could be for anything from New Year's to going out to dinner or just simply going to the mall. Used to be $5.99 and I got it for $1.99. So this is just a cute another workout shirt or honestly, it doesn't even have to, like, workout shirts don't have to just be workout shirts. It could be literally just on the go or anything, because some active crap is like really cute. Okay, so it's so hard to tell again with the tank top, but you can see how freaking cute this is. What I mean, and it's see-through, so if you have like a nice sports bra on. And the other side. Influencer unboxing. I do not remember what the heck is in here, so let's find out together. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, we have a whole container of Nutella. I remember trying this like a tiny bit in my finger, and I'm like, ugh, it's not all that. So I'm pretty sure my dad will be happy to have something different to eat, because we never get this, and it's hazelnut spread with cocoa. Wow. Biodor Rose Quartz plus Charcoal, great for oily skin, and it is a daily purifying cleanser. That's perfect because I have oily skin. The charcoal is going to get all that junk out of my pores, so hopefully I stop getting red or breakouts or whatever. So that is super cool. Biodor Free Your Pores Charcoal Pore Strips, unclog pores and draws them out. Excess oil and deepest clean, one nose strip. So here's a cool nose strip thing. EOS, so it's Shea Butter Shave Cream, and it's shave and shower lotion, works well wet plus dry. This is nice because we all shave. I still have that hair dye stuff I never got to use. It's bleach, developer, dye to turn your hair blonde. So if anybody wants that, or I'll sell it for super cheap, just let me know, because it's literally just sitting there doing nothing. So hit me up about that. Comment everything. Comment different things. If you got anything from Influenster, let me know, because that stuff is so good. I'm so curious. And also comment down what the heck you got from the Ross clearance. If you're still going out there and looking for stuff, or if you got anything good, comment down. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We are growing, and I know my Ross video got me growing some subscribers too. So please help a girl out. I've been doing this for over 2 years on YouTube, and I truly love it. It's my passion, and it could be my career if you guys go ahead and help me out by subscribing and hitting that bell, sharing this video to others, telling them to subscribe, and I might, don't quote me, but I might do a giveaway so that way I can grow as well, and then everybody else could have a chance to win something too, which is really nice, and I love giving as well. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend to subscribe, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.